It's the last day of our holiday today, and I thought you might like to see some of the arts and crafty bits that we got while we were shopping. No biscuits in there, I'm afraid, Freddie. So first of all, I've got this gorgeous pink yarn. Do you remember us getting that, Freddie? Isn't it amazing? Let's see what Oxfam has. It's very harsh. Feel it, Sam. Harsh, but it'll make a nice bowl. That's nice. I'd never heard of banana yarn before. Recycled banana palms and then dyed. It will make, as I said, it will make a nice basket because it's not soft, it's quite harsh. Lovely, so we're making that into a little basket. And then I loved this from the Sue Ryder charity shop. So they must buy in new yarn and then sell it. But we're in a charity shop. Why are you laughing, Sam?
They're gonna run out of wool.
I know, they're going to run out of hexi cardi. Anyone? What do you think of this rainbow of colours for my next hexi cardigan? I love. Oh, I've got a bag. Yeah, thank you. Aren't they?
Yeah.
£2.49.
Yeah.
100%. Was that? Yeah. No, I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really pretty.
Thank you. Woohoo! What I liked about this yarn is that it's 100% recycled fibre, so by Woolcraft is steam, and I love the colours. Really sort of tweedy. And look at all these colours together. I got each of the colours. Is there another one? Was that it? Yeah, no, I think that's it. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my plan is to make a hexi cardi, and the great thing about hexi cardis is that it can just be a little small bolero like my other one, or I can just keep going, and it can be as big as I want it to be. I'll leave a link down below for Passionate Kelsey, because she's the person I watch, so I can get to know how to do the hexi cardis. So yeah, that's that. Pop that there. In the wonderful wool and craft shop, they had such an amazing selection. I got Twinkle, James C. Brett. That's a British make, and I got the. Can you see it? I got the black and the silver because I want to make. That's what Katie said. I said to her, my niece, would you like another scrunchie? And she says yes, she'd like black with shiny, and she can use that one at work.
Just got to decide on what the paint is.
No.
Shiny. There you go. People know it's shiny now. Oh, it's Christmassy.
Yeah.
Green
Oh,
and
lovely.
Red. Yeah.
Got a good selection of the shiny, haven't they?
Oh, they already sell the scrunchies.
Yeah, they're made up. Great,
Yeah.
aren't they? Because the pink one's very bright that I made her, so yeah, I'm going to make that for Katie, so that's what I've got that there for. That is, ooh, gorgeous. What is that? What's it made from?
Double knitting.
Double knitting.
I don't know.
You're not quite sure.
No.
Mohair? Percent acrylic, 20% wool. Nice.
Nice colour.
Fluffy. Mm. I found this. It's called Multi-Star and £1.75, made in Germany, and it's sequins, and they seem to be on like a little thread, so you can knit that into whatever you're creating. So you'd only be able to go around a neckline or the sleeves or the bottom, because there's not very much. But I thought that was fun. Tim, my nephew, pointed that out to me.
I'll have to do my... You can go up to 3.
Well, Sam, hold on tightly, because in case it does thingy.
What, little Fred? That's a lovely scene. Woohoo! Can you see your toe, Freddie?
She's still filming.
I am filming, Sam.
Damage to end of turn lightning, and 4 damage to start of turn lightning.
Do you know what that will do?
And then 3 damage at the end of turn to lightning.
Oh, he's died.
Yeah, he's died, yeah. He just died to...
I actually drew 3.
Oh, vigilance. Oh no, it's only
vigilance isn't a
3.
great upgrade.
I thought it did it to the cost of 1.
No, that would be really good. That would be cool.
Okay, Confident is okay, but I still think Similar Fury is better. 2.
I'll just put it on one of the cultists.
Look to the sunset, actually.
Wow.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? Hey, little Freddie. Oh, safe journey. Little postcards. Let's go out to see the sea, shall we? This is pure wool, and I've got it to mend a scarf for Ben. Ben needs, it's navy and grey, the scarf. I'm going to darn it. I love darning. It's got some holes in. I think it got the moths one time. So I've wrapped it in lavender, a lavender bag, and I'm going to do some darning. I was waiting to get some, it's pure new wool, the scarf, so I'm going to mend it with wool. So that'll be fun. What else have we got in here? Oh yes, went into the National Trust shop at Corfe. Yes, they had dog biscuits, didn't they, in the shop at Corfe. You liked that shop. I got myself a little cloth badge with Corfe Castle on, and I'm going to sew that onto my denim bag when I get home. It's got quite a lot of badges on it, so that'll be lovely. I used to collect these when I went on guide camp and holiday. That's a lovely one. £3.75, that one. And I managed in the National Trust shop to find myself another sketchbook. Do you remember my other ones? Just finishing. Sandra bought it me next door. It's the one I create my fairies on. And it says Eco Sketchbook made from reclaimed coffee cups. Isn't that amazing? What does it say how heavy the paper is? Versatile acid-free multi-white cartridge paper. It doesn't say. But yeah, I don't know. I just like the... quite thick. And I use pens and a little bit of light watercolour for my fairies. So that is ideal. Freddie seems, you seem quite hot, don't you, Freddie? Of course he's been in the water today to cool off. We've had quite the adventure today. I'm going to leave you because quite often we light a candle, don't we? But today, just for that little bit of quiet time, I'm going to leave you with some gentle waves from the sea, from the seafront, and then tacked on the end is our little adventure on the steam train. Today, would you like a treat? We'll keep it as like, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, one went on the floor. I think you saw the green one, didn't you? There you go. Have some treats like we do when you're sat in the chair at home. That's lovely. Take care, everyone, won't you? Bye. I'm coming!
That's been well.
Morden. This train will call at Hurston Holt by request. Harmon's Cross, Corfe Castle and Morden.
Morden City.
Oh, I love it. Going in here? Come on then.
You need to go.
I need to go. Right, there you go. Right, come on then, Fred. That's it, under we go.
Oh, room to sit here, Fred. I didn't film it. Oh, there's the, look out. You'll find them, that's what I want to see.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, multiple.
Oh, what they have.
Oh, having a dinner.
Oh, wow. It's quite a lot to film, Mum.
Break off a little bit.
Can't go that far.
Oh, this is the golf.
Oh, where you played mini golf the other day.
Just through there.
Oh, yeah. Do you remember that, Freddie? We walked through here the other day.
It's literally just through there, I think.
It sounds nice as well.
You do, it stops often, doesn't it? Or does it stop before? I thought you could see it on the way there. It might stop before.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, all these gorgeous houses. Oh, when did these do Airbnb? Oh, wow. Yeah, you know, that's in Devon. Ooh, look, Ben. I could post my postcards in that letterbox.
Got a bit too hot.
He's got his ticket. Here's our tickets. It's amazing. Yeah, sure. Now you want to go to the sweet shop. Let's go and find it.
Okay, thank you.
What a choice. What do you fancy, Ben?
No, it's fine.
Little scales. Oh, I know. What do you fancy? Oh, lovely. Lovely. Oh, Anna.
Can I get some snow as well, please?
Oh, you love those, don't you?
I just necked it straight down. I can't be doing.
Oh, you get a lot. 100 grams.
You didn't forget about me at all.
No, that's good actually.
Yeah, I know you did.
Right, this is the entrance to Corfe Castle. That's the Corfe village down there where we've just bought our sweets.
Are they building some scaffolding to like support it? Surely that's not safe.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look, there's a bit that's fell off.
Down there. We're up on the hill. It's gorgeous. That's
really
English cottage garden planting. Station Master's garden. Yes, I'm actually recording.
Good,
Yes,
good.
yes.
Go through it again.
Yeah.
Sam spilt the coffee.
No, Freddie. I'm taking a picture.
Mum's made a bit of a mess. Cinnamon. And this is our white blonde hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
And Mum, have I caught you vlogging?
We're on our last visit to Coco. It's our home day today, and we bumped into Lauren and her little baby Nova. It was so nice to bump into them. Do you know? As soon as I came down the alleyway here to Coco, I noticed Lauren. Is it nice, Ben?
Yeah, really good.
I noticed Lauren and Nova because they had beautiful crochet tops on. It was lovely.